When you follow your heart, you always win. I am who I'm not, I'll never be. That's my message. Go where you celebrate it, not where you tolerate it. Protecting your energy is not a crime. I've been giving y'all the game.
Please subscribe. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Today is Thursday, December 22nd. And in today's video, I have one play for you. But before I go into the plays, let me delve into yesterday's recap of the overall markets. It's very imperative that you pay attention to what's going on with the overall markets, because high tides rises all boats, low tides lowers all boats. The Dow rose 0.13% to settle at 38,612, the Dow. The Nasdaq, they closed down 0.32% to settle at 15,580, the Nas. NVDA fell 2.85%, but in the pre-market, the stock is up 15% at $770.50 at the recording of this video. Company came out with earnings in the AH. Company smashed earnings. Breaking news. On the top line, on the bottom line. Moving forward, their projection for the first quarter beats analysts' estimate going forward. And on that, the stock is skyrocketing. NVIDIA doing great things again. The revenue came in at $22 billion for the quarter. Let me put some perspective on this, give you some bearing. How fast this company is growing. Just 2 years ago, 2022, for the whole year, company made $26 billion, and that's for the year. They made $22 billion in one quarter. Let that sink in for a bit. This company is growing faster than the speed of light.
Usain Bolt, look at the time, 9:58 world record.
Told you a year and a half ago or so, dollar cost average into this one. I would be excited to see what it does in 3 to 5 years. The Nasdaq futures is up over 2% in the pre. Should be an interesting day today. Let's continue. Apple rose 0.42% to settle at $182.32. Apple. Big winner yesterday was GBNH. The stock spiked 98% on the day to settle at 38 cents on no news in particular. The volume yesterday was 113 million shares exchanged hands, compare and contrast to their average volume of 300K GBNH. Day's play today is a SP play, in and out, grab and go, one and move. Do not overstay your welcome. AGRX, the stock is up 121% in the pre-markets, trading at $2.20 at the recording of this video. There's no news out, we're just riding price action. The higher day thus far in the pre-markets, $2.96. This one we trace is below $1.66. This might be a no-go today. This one is in the healthcare space, and their headquarters out of New Jersey. Let's kick the tires.
What's the tires on this?
Brother, you didn't kick them.
Oh, I'd rather I check them out before I'm going to think about purchasing.
They were a market cap of $3 million. They have a low float of $2 million. $2 million in the float. 1% of the float are held by insiders, and 10% of the float are held by institutions. They have $20 million in revenues. Their revenue per share, 12.32. Let me repeat that. Their revenue per share, 12.32. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 122% year over year. I'll say that again. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 122% year over year. They have $3 million in total cash and $2.5 million in total debt. Their current ratio is sitting below par. Current ratio is sitting precisely at 0.57. In and out with this one, AGRX. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on X at WPT for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade. Always take care of your downside and let your upside take care of itself. Trade well. I'll see you when I see you. Do remember, if you wish to open a trading account, check out my Webull link below. You will get some free stocks. Minimum deposit required is just 1 penny. Also, pre-market hours trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. 4 a.m. sharp with Webull. Webull only the way to go. Pre-market hours trading is very risky. It's not for the risk averse. I thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out. 98% for the year, and they're sitting at $76. Remember when AMD was about $10 not too long ago, maybe 3-4 years ago. Nice. AMD, 98% for the year. Number 1, drum roll please. NVIDIA is up 127% year to date, sitting at $486. NVIDIA doing great things. Please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please hit that notification. You get the video as soon as it uploads. These videos are time sensitive. Timing is everything.